So first of all, very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, everyone. Today we are going to discuss on a topic, mindset is everything. So first of all, welcome to Spoken English classes by Sambhav Jain. I am Sambhav Jain, Spoken English trainer tutor. Now we are going a group discussion on a given topic. Mindset is everything. Okay, one by one, I will invite every student to participate in this discussion. Okay, so first I am inviting Harsh, Kush, Ayush, Siddharth, Christy, Aradhya. Yes. Okay, please come. Siddharth, Kush, Harshit, Jessica, please come. So we know means our mindset or our mind is a powerful weapon. Okay, means whatever we think, whatever we do, it's totally dependent on our mindset. Okay, so first I am telling you the meaning of mindset. Means whenever we are trying to do something, okay, first we have to decide means what will we do for that, okay, and how will we do for that, and when will we do for that. Means kya, kab or kaise. Means whenever you want to start your education, means first decide your school, okay, means after your syllabus and after your classes, means all the thing, means all these things is only capable only for mindset. Okay, means whenever you want to start a preparation for your examination, means you have a mindset means I will be become a topper of my class. So your mindset is like that you will be become a topper. So you will be do more study, more focus on your syllabus and more focus on your study. Okay, so means if your mindset is big or if your mindset is low, so it will depend on your future. Means your future will depend on your mindset. So now we will start. Means what do you know about mindset, and do you have any example of mindset, so you can share with us. Okay, one by one I will start from Harsh.
Yes, sir. Mindset is everything because if you start your journey and if you go in a school and if you are weak in study and if you are good in any sports like kho, kabaddi, cricket, and if in reality you are playing better much and then you said I don't focus on my study too much, but I am good in sports like kho. I am good in kho, so I will tell to my parent that I want to make my future in that type of sports. So I will say to my parent, and then I try to agree my parent, and then I listen to my mind, and then my only then I have a goal to become a national player.
Yes. Your mindset can help you to achieve your goal. Okay, Christy, what's your opinion?
So mindset is a way of thinking, how we think and what is in our mind, what the way we are thinking, and just like mindset is a thing that we have to focus on this only. We can say that our aim is also our mindset, and there are many type of mindset, and as Harsh said about his sports mindset and about his mindset, so I would like to say that there are other types, just like he is having of sports, I have of some studies, and there is also mindset, we can say that mindset of society, in some works, between discrimination and in other things there is mindset also, and also in studies that we have a mindset that we have to become this only, we focus on our goal, and also on a particular subject we have interest in.
So I fully agree with both of them, and I want to add my points that I think if we focus on our mindset, like if our mindset is to become a topper, class topper, a footballer, as Harsh said, or anything else, so we just have to focus on that. And if we will start finding our real goal in our life, so our mindset really helps us very much, because when we think that what can we become, so firstly we will see our abilities, and mindset will tell us that you are good in this, so you can focus on this. So in this way, when you listen to your mind, you sometimes you don't uh, achieve your goals, as you don't focus on it, but mostly you achieve that, and you became a most very famous or a very successful player, or anything whatever you want to become in your life.
Ayush, Ayush, you have to tell about mindset as well as any real-time example of mindset, means your personal life, related to your personal life, as well as your friends and any relatives.
Yes, sir. First of all, I want to also a share example before telling this question. So my example is, as we all know that computer have a mind. It is also known as CPU. And when we put command or things in it, we can also consider it as a computer mindset, as what computer do and will do, as exactly we do in our real life, as when we want to do something, and when we feel something emotion or any feelings, or want to be something in future that hurts that, that is exactly what computer do. And also also humans, that we are, that we also see in our daily life, uh, daily life. Sometimes we want to do something, but can't, uh, as this is because of mindset. When your mindset will become higher, so you will be become able to do anything. And when your mindset will go deeper down, so you might become uh, a loser. That's all.
So I have an example in the form of a story. So the story is about a boy who is suffering from pneumonia. He was he was hopeless. Fast food. He was lost his hope, and he his mindset is that now I have no willpower, so now I will die. But a person came into the story and give him some hopes, not to think negative, only think positive. So it means that your mindset is depend on your on the person who is teaching you and who is guiding you for your goal.
Yes, I am agree with you. Anything is possible if you have the great mindset and will desire to do it. Put time in it, and mindset is a person's way of thinking and can improve their life. I have an example of uh, a person who have great mindset. He believe that he can achieve anything with the through hard work. And a person with fixed mindset, he believe that uh, he is permanent. As this topic, I want to say something that mindset. There are so many types of mindset. With the help of today's world is working. Also, there are so many things. This people have a mindset and they work on that. And I think that for your mindset, it can be in anything that you want to become anything, and that can be just like you are the pillars for that. You can make your goals more stronger and work on them.
So I also have an example, like if a person cannot walk, so he haven't lost his hope to walk, as he believed that if he will try, and if doctors will try, so he can move soon. And as he haven't lost his confidence, so soon he was able to move. and everyone was shocked to see, because everyone was saying that you will never walk again and you will be just be like this only, and everyone make a lot of fun of him. But he tried and tried, and he made a mindset that he said to him that I will walk soon again, and I will show you all that mindset is everything. So he did so, and he is able to walk, and everyone was shocked.
Now I am inviting some other student, okay, to continue this topic. Now you can leave, take your seat. Yes, rest of the students, please come on the seat. Actually, all the students are doing good. So just you have to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel, and share our video. Okay. And if you are watching this video, so please do watch completely. Okay. Next, we have some other students. So they will tell us about the mindset, and they will share their real life examples also. Okay. So now I will start from Kus.
So, in my opinion, mindset is a way you think or your attitude toward other things. So, for example, a man lost his job. So he think that what's the profit of trying again, because I am failed. But he should think that the life is giving him the new opportunity to learn new skills, and etc. And according to me, means there is a quote also that mindset determines your success.
It's a very beautiful quote by Kush. Mindset determines your success. Okay. So who said this? Okay, you don't remember. No issue. Okay. So it was very good quote. Next, Tejal.
So, mindset is everything. It is a truth, because mindset is something whatever you think in your mind, and if you are thinking anything, you will do, you will speak, and you will express it. Like we can take an example of our live class only. We are talking about this topic. So whatever is in our mind, we are speaking here. If our mindset is somewhere else, so we are not able to focus on this topic, and like this. And if I take means if I tell that if somebody is positive, so he or she is able to do the things nicely, and they are just expressing themselves as positive. If somebody is negative mindset, so they are not able to connect nicely with someone. So like this mindset means mindset is really important in human body. So mindset just control our body and our emotions. So if there is means it depends on your mindset, whatever you think and whatever you do.
Your mindsets change your behavior, and your behavior, means what is the actually meaning of your behavior, means in society, in with your friends, with your family, means totally depend on your behavior, means your whole life is totally depends on your behavior, means how to treat people and how people treats you. It totally depend on your mindset. Okay. Yes, Raj.
So according to me, mindset is everything. Yes, it is right, because if we think that and we give command to our mindset that we can do it, we can become an IAS, and I will do work hard until I become a IAS. So he will do work hard. He will do work more hard than he did before in the past, because his mindset is I will do more hard work. So mindset is also very powerful part of our body and control our whole body. But we have to make our own mindset, then we can control our body.
So yes, that mindset is everything, because when we think that I have taken example of real life, that one girl and one nurse. One girl is fallen down in her marathon, and then he cannot walk because her father she cannot walk because her legs is fracture.
then his parents is also saying that you cannot walk again. Then nurse think that I I can I can I can help to walk her, and so he do work hard and help her she to walk, and one day she able to walk.
Yes, actually Arnav wants to say that means there was a girl means her leg was not working and doctor said that you will be not run means her parents said that you will not be run, yeah, you will not be able to run, but her nurse try to convince her means you will be able to run. So one day she will one day she will be able to run. Okay, no issue, actually we confused he or she. Okay, yes.
So yes, mindset is everything. If someone lose their confidence that he or she cannot not be able to top in class, or not be able to success in future, it can be they can be not because they don't have confidence and don't have mindset. If the mindset that they have to work hard and move ahead and be successfully, so they have to work hard and take a mindset.
Purvi.
Mindset is a combination. Mindset is a combination of thoughts. Mindset is it's ability.
So I have an example of real life. Like a cat was there which was paralyzed totally, and her the means owner having a mindset that she will start working and she will be able to move. So he just worked hard of 2 years. He just treated her. He brought a chair for her, which was helping her to move and walk. And like this, slowly and slowly, she start moving. And I have an example of my life also. Like I just want to achieve one competition, and I was having a mindset that I will achieve and I will do it, and I have just prepared for that, and like that I achieved that competition, and I done it.
So stay focused and keep your mindset positively. Okay. So now we have completed or concluded this topic here. Okay. So please do like, comment, share, and subscribe. And Kus want to say something.
So I have also one example. Suppose that if a topper has scored less marks that he gain normally. So there are two types of mindset. First is fixed mindset. So fixed mindset will think that what he is listening from in his during his past, he will think that and second is growth mindset. So growth mindset will think that now this time I have lose, but next time I will win and score so much marks.